Hey guys, welcome back to another chop video, and today we'll be making boiled cornmeal dumplings. First off, you would wash your hands, get a mixing bowl. You're going to add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour to the mixing bowl. Add half cup of cornmeal. Get a cup of water. Use your hand to mix the dry ingredients together. Pour some of the water into the middle of the dry ingredients. Gradually mix ingredients and add more water a little at a time. You should be doing this in a rubbing motion. Place the heel of your dominant hand on top of the dough. Use your body weight to push the dough into itself. Turn the dough and continue to knead. Mix all the remaining flour into the dough. Knead the dough until it has a smooth consistency.
A few moments later.
Tear these end sides of the dough off, the size of the dumplings which you prefer. You're going to spin and tuck the dough until it forms a perfect circle. Fill the pot about halfway with water, enough to cover the dumplings, and you can always add more if it's not enough. Place the pot on the stove. Turn the burner on high. Now you're going to add some salt to the water. I didn't add salt to the flour mixture when I was kneading it because when you add it in the water, it's enough. You don't have to add extra stuff when you're kneading it. You can taste the water in the pot to see if there's enough salt. I added about 2 teaspoons. Add about a tablespoon of cooking oil to the pot. This reduces the chances of it boiling over. Bring the pot to a boil. Add dumplings to the hot water. Stir the pot to prevent sticking. Boil the dumplings for about 20 minutes, and when they are finished, they'll be floating on the water. There you have it, guys, cornmeal dumplings. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a comment below and tell me what's your favorite meal with dumplings, whether it's dumpling and tin mackerel, ackee and saltfish, you see me, or if you just like dumpling and butter. I'm out.